Good afternoon everyone and happy Christmas. I am doing a little Christmas special for you guys today. We've got a very unique Tissot PRX, well, it's handcrafted, and my own Tissot PRX in a double unboxing. I'm obviously not recording this on Christmas Day, I'm recording it a few weeks before, but you guys can enjoy it on Christmas Day if you want to. Again, happy Christmas to you all, and yeah, I'm going to get right onto it. So, essentially, we've got two it's very similar base models of the same watch here. One's gone the extra distance, but I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing. So I had to, sorry if you can see the some horrible sort of wood next to this blue mat. I've had to zoom out a little bit because of the size of this box. It is massive. It's bigger than a Rolex box, bigger than an AP box probably. Just like in comparison to the Tissot one, it's quite big. It's nearly as big as my laptop, I think. So yeah, this is so this one is the Tissot PRX, the Wet Willie edition, produced by IFL Watches. So yeah, let's unbox this one to start with. When you get these done by IFL Watches, you obviously don't get the Tissot box with it. You just get the box standard IFL watch box, as you can see here. Right, I could probably zoom in a bit more now, actually. Bring that down a bit more. Obviously, that all falls out nicely. The box is really well presented. You've got a little sort of separate drawer here with obviously your cards and sorry, you can't see that. Let's just move this out of the way. Separate drawer here, just as a little sort of card manual and cleaning cloth inside there, all sort of matching the inspiration of your design. But let's take this, slide this box out. Let's bring that down a bit more so we can see that. There you go. So on the left, we've got the Tissot PRX Wet Willie edition from IFL Watches. And on the right, we've got my very own Tissot PRX 40mm in the mint green dial. Non sort of limited edition or anything like that. It's just a box standard one from the, obviously from Tissot. You can notice from the craftsmanship from the actual box, it's gone to a bit more sort of a luxury look with this one, but then this on our right is a bit more sort of professionally presented. So yeah, let's get the watches out and have a look at them at face value. As part of the obviously the review process, I'm not allowed to sort of take this out of the wrapper, but you can still see the idea of it just on the back there. So on the left, we've got the Tissot PRX Wet Willie, 39.5mm with 11mm case thickness, and on the right we've got a Tissot PRX 40mm in mint green. They're basically the same sort of spec. They are the exact same in terms of the spec. The only thing different is the dial. So yeah, let's get up and close and personal with these dials, shall we? So on the left, we've obviously got the navy blue base to the actual Tissot PRX model with the Wet Willie print on the front there. Fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments, and a date dial at the 3 PM. Obviously, just got that little hand painted dial on the back there. The actual Tissot PRX watches, they use I think it's an ETA F06 Swiss movement, so that offers an accuracy of plus or minus 20 seconds per year. Some sources quote better than that, so plus or minus 10 seconds per year could be. So both have the actual all the PRXs, they are 316 stainless steel cases with sapphire glass going over the top of the actual face of the watches there, and you get 100 meter water resistance with the idea there. And the overall look of this watch is to go for the curved casing aesthetic. So this original sort of design, the actual main PRX design, came in like 1978. Obviously, Tissot was founded in 1853, as you can see from the date on their dial. But the this sort of retro design was mainly came forward in 1978. I can't obviously look at the not going to look at the crowns too much. But they're matching crowns. You don't get a different crown from the custom-made job. It's just a hand-painted dial. Come down the strap. The actual straps themselves, they're 12mm in width. Yeah, they're 12mm just to slot into this little tiny gap here, so it is small. Both obviously got that brush finish on the outside, as you can see. Full brush finish on the outside. The strap is adjustable by little tiny pins on the actual sides here. I can show you that somewhere here. Little tiny pins. And then down at the clasp, I can't do the clasp on this one, but it's a double fold over a butterfly style clasp with a nice simple stainless steel finish inside there. And engravable case backs. I think when you go for the Wet Willie one, you have to obviously get the engraving done from Tissot themselves first, and then perhaps send it off to IFL to be painted up. But when you order the IFL watch, you usually get it's fully wrapped and stuff like this, and you can't take it off, otherwise you can't return it, essentially. So there we go, guys. That is the Tissot PRX Wet Willie versus the Tissot PRX mint green dial. Let's have a look. Let's put them on the wrist. Might as well have a look. So that's how they look next to each other. I hope you enjoyed that video, and happy Christmas once again.